Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again guys today at the euro currency, because I have checked across the board and haven't found any really interesting and fast hot patterns that could be traded immediately. Well, that's why we will update the situation on the euro currency, because on the medium term perspective situation seems a bit difficult and sophisticated, mostly because euro currency in the recent time has the tendency to the upward action and gravitates to the appreciation in relation to the dollar. But a recent speech of the Mario Draghi, who said that any increasing in value of the euro currency could lead to the easing policy and applying some measures with decreasing the interest rates, holds and impact on the market, and investors worry about the possible dovish policy of the European Central Bank, and that holds market from the fast acceleration to the upside. Meantime, from the technical point of view, we have some also interesting moments, and our major concern stands on the weekly time frame chart, because there we have the first stage. We have bearish butterfly that assumes some deeper retracement, because we know that the minor retracement of this butterfly level, the fib level, stands approximately around 135-135.20 area, and if we suggest that market will accomplish this minimum target and minimum respect of this butterfly, it should reach this area. Second, with this upward action on the previous week, we've got bearish engulfing pattern, and that has the invalidation point somewhere around 138.65 area with this spike up. That is invalidation point of this pattern. This pattern on the weekly time frame chart assumes the taking out of these lows that stands in general in a row with this possible action due to the butterfly pattern. So they agrees with each other. They agree with each other, but at the same time, the action right here currently doesn't look like really downward action. So that's not the action that we would like to see when we expect a development due to some ABCD pattern, because you can see that this retracement has happened. Currently with this leg, market hasn't reached yet even minor retracement of the 618 target. That's not the reaction on some extension down. So, and that's why this upward turnover to the upside in the middle of the leg, it doesn't look logical. It's a bit worrying sign, and maybe it shows that market really doesn't want significantly to continue move lower. Also take a look that the market now is moving above the monthly pivot point. That's also a weekly pivot point as well right here, and turning to some upward action. That's why taking into consideration this behavior of the market and some contradiction between the menace of the Mario Draghi on the possible policy easing and some desire of the investors to push euro to the upside, to invest in the euro, and that could lead to the appreciation, some sentiment, some bullish sentiment on the market, could really lead to appearing of some different patterns. So here we see some two possible scenarios. The first scenario, as you can see, this could be the butterfly. We also have talked about it in the weekly research. So this could be left wing. If market will hold there and turn to the upside, that could become the right wing, right? That is possible. Or if market still will follow the speech of the Draghi and will deny from the idea of the further buying on the euro currency market. Still could show some deeper retracement. In this case, we could get ABCD pattern, and now our major task is to get the early understanding what pattern will prevail. So what pattern will start to form and will dominate on the market. That is major task right here. That's the major sophisticated moment on the euro currency. So if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not see much here. All that I see is just bullish divergence right to the 50% support of the recent leg up, recent retracement up. And guys, here we have some kind of the triangle pattern, something of that sort is forming here. That is invalidation point of our stop grabber. So this stop, that is also unfilled gap that held on the market. And market right now is making an attempt to pass through this area, pass through this double pivot. So you can see monthly pivot point, the yellow line, blue line is the weekly pivot point. Market is struggling with it. Logically, the market has some reasons to this retracement, as you can see on the hourly time frame chart. But this retracement should not be too extended to the upside, and that is our major assistance point. Because if you take a look at the hourly chart, you'll see. So in fact, this low is the 618 extension of this A, B, C top pattern. Market has hit minor retracement and turned to the ABCD action. Minor target, sorry, and turn to this logical retracement. That's normal. Market has hit conference resistance on the hourly time frame chart. This 138.30, 138.35 area. This conference resistance, you can see market has hit it. So if market is bearish and really would like to continue move with the ABCD pattern, it probably should stop here and turn to the downside. But if market will continue move higher, move above the weekly pivot point and take out of these highs, that is in fact invalidation of the grabber pattern, that will tell us something different, because that will be the challenge on appearing on possible right wing of the butterfly. And in this case, if this will happen, the market will move above 138.65 area. In this case, we'll probably start to search for a possibility to take in the long position. That will be really some break in the sentiment on the market, because now market stands in indecision, in fact, because it's calling around the pivot points and doesn't take any drastic steps neither to the downside nor to the upside. But if market will follow the development to the upside, it will tell us that market probably will start the confrontation with the European Central Bank in the short-term period, and will try to challenge for some reaction on the next meeting if euro currency will start to some appreciation to the upside. But maybe if even this butterfly will appear, maybe this will not become some really significant appreciation in terms of the European Central Bank. We'll know. We'll see. But currently, as I said, we should watch for action this area. Any reversal to the downside and acceleration to the downside will probably put the foundation for possible action to the 135.35.20 area. If market will erase the possibility for appearing of the butterfly here and will start to move according to the bearish grabber, and any action right here will be the signal that market probably will turn to the upward action and probably will turn to the appearing of the butterfly on the daily time frame chart. So, other words, conclusion is as follows: until market holds below these areas, we have the bearish setup and have no reasons to take in the long position right now, because we have the pattern on the weekly time frame chart that suggests moving lower. But if market will pass through this area, that will change everything and will put this from top to bottom. That will change the short-term sentiment on the euro currency. That's the drastic area for euro currency right now.